So got to put money as a result. Okay, fine. I haven't been option trading or swing trading or anything. That's for investments for usually once a month, but I haven't bought any in a while. And so the last money I put in there was to buy some stuff like 2 months ago or something. And I bought a whole bunch of stuff from long-term investment. And now if I put money in a paper book map, and now I can't find like my wire information to paper book map. I always have like the wire information. Let's see. So I could send money quickly. Well, I think we broke this little area. So I have to maybe this area. See what happens there. She we have to do like a full area for YM. All this stuff. There was a lot of possible back there. We had to go to the other area. I like lock that. Lock this. No. Lock that. Unlock it. I'll make it. And so for now, what other I still have not cleared up this one. Be sure you don't have like here, so do my real. This is my real stuff here. Okay, so you got a lot of moves Friday. Good moves. Alright, so let's see. Still using that? Possibly could, but I would say move it to this here. That. Using this. So I'll keep that, lock that, and erase everything else. Oh, didn't lock it my three. Okay, I like that. Like this. Okay, print's about to mark about to open. Oh, I need to log in. It's Monday, remember that copy. So they join the office. It's going underneath here. So feel like you want to go down. up to blue, so to get in there. Maybe turn in definitely. Click blue, I'll be jumping in. Hello. Shop. Do move on it. Sometimes there is a show of yourself with future got the teacher. Really a future consent person. Come on. Maybe we gotta rock this start. Come. Yes. I don't want to lose anything here. So let's go. Yeah. Come on. Help me out. What did I make? Could have made more, but I started to get all freaked out. 300. Should have stayed in that. But now it's like, I don't know. Should I just get back in or what? Maybe I'll wait and see if it comes back to here. Or it already did. It's going down to that area there. But down here, but it's like only 1 minute in here. It's already done went what? 120 ticks. All I wanted was 50. That was too
broad opinion wise that the fact that standards for mental health professionals functioning in a forensic
come on.
undertaking
Come on. I knew it was gonna tell.
here are all the things that we
Shit.
can later on exactly what
Funny times. All the 25 ticks. The phone. Let's see.
every piece of it there.
Come on. Come on. Don't go back up there yet. Come on. Drop. Come on. Get down. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on.
Inspective methods and the rest of the treatment Filipinos pronounced the civil that
Then keep getting in this. Okay, that's why I'm not going to do that. This again. I don't know it's coming down to this 30 minute, and that's why I should have just had held 3 minute candle. I should have just held that whole 3 minute candle.
that party have agreed to was committed to report that here are the ways in which you measure or assess the initial.
Oh, push through.
Yeah.
Come on, push through. Yes.
The feedback on the three things about the different types of
Push through. Come on. Come on, push. Come on.
and it was test when you do permit the reputation of hearsay or in this web.
I don't know. Because I'm at the level, and I think I made like 630. That's good. Come at the I'm at 710. And I still have like 3 days on it, so it's like I don't remember do it either. I might take some over, so any other price is gonna be but oh yeah. So this was the reason I had this year. If I could get on the price,
Or the credibility that the jury could put into the testimony. You know, And if it's an issue that comes up, this is an issue that we dealt with in Richmond before.
Not 400 I used to pass it. 3 days.
Earlier. I think that this for the profit, I think that's for the transaction process.
One day with they me. So, oh yeah, what's going on here?
GB goes back to damages. But each GB actually it can help pull the trial factor to see that they need to defend. The answer is nothing. They didn't
Both
do it.
did leave doing this one. Like this one came, retrace to that. I would do good to retrace to my little midline. It's still playing around in here. This one came out quick.
What's the deal with your job? What is that? Effectively.
I went to my 30 minute order block. So it just started to like back up from this. What's the next one? Oh, it made me want to come down and knock that out. Mhm. But it should come back up though first. It needs to come back up, yeah. And you know what EMA is right here. And this order 30-second order block is right there. It should come up. But also I think I'm done trading that out. A little bit. I'm trading along. Because I mean making 6:30 and a couple minutes is I don't know. And then we go on my demo. Because I don't want to mess up my eval. I have to be disciplined, you know. When I know I'll come up to there. What did you really think? Okay.
Let's take away from the arguments for a moment and let's step back to what is essential in this case, and that is that the plaintiff establishes the elements of the tort. As it's called in civil court, torts are what we're dealing with here. Let's bring in attorney C.K. Hopper. She knows all about that. What you do in your practice, you do civil work. And so you can be a professor. You have a lawyer. You have a really very successful practice and you have the years, but just the way we were talking about him, I think you just totally see it, on a university campus laying out. Take us to school, this is a negligence case. Again, a civil case, and I know a lot of times we talk about criminal cases here on court TV, but this is very different in the sense that there are four major elements to a negligence.
Oh, I should have took
There's a
that.
duty, there's a breach,
Also, I feel like it may turn around from him.
In this case, that they're saying the system facial
I demo anyway, so.
to the teacher. But the point was saying that she
On the other,
she didn't do what she was supposed to do. She breached that duty. The point is, she didn't do what she was supposed to do by informing the teacher, taking decisive steps to isolate the child, call the law enforcement, do whatever. She didn't do that. But the biggest element that in a lot of these cases causes maybe a verdict for people not to get a verdict or to get a verdict is the causation. Did that breach, did that failure to notify people to do whatever she needed to do, did that cause the damages? Did that cause the shooting? That's key to time. When you affect that, which is a fixed time, there's not a big wow. Yes, if you have first graders that are troubled, that will come to school and all that, out, yeah, that's foreseeable. But it's not foreseeable that he's still with carry the gun, take that gun on and shoot a teacher. What specifically is not foreseeable that that 6-year-old would have come to school on that day or the word them to shoot his teacher. That's gonna be where causation, foreseeability.
exactly why I'm
The shooting that led to the damage of the teacher system.
so long to go with to me.
The penis, something, the stories, all of that. So those are those 4 elements.
Yeah, I think so.
The hard time, right? You can go down and think if the jury believes that the lack of action or the inaction and the lack of being aggressive and trying to contain the student or do something,
Because we probably want to come back to this area right here.
then the plaintiff probably would approve of this duty, breach, causation, damages, and then they're gonna hold the.
You know, it's good on the license. It's just
The great explain which is
it's gonna it's like maybe it'll come back up here before it decides to go down more. It's good. Okay, it's just gonna go. No, okay. Mm. What is this? Why I'm just was contribution and fourth generation. Look at that big old weight. It did. Yeah. Come back. How do you just make this here?
The trial and published on TV.
Mm.
The really all non-commutable is a very responsible guide for their lives.
Okay.
It's testing home. And the thought slime was
Awesome. This time we should get though.
notable. You're with them. Almost closer than you think.
I know it's gonna come all the way back to your midline, but I feel like really it should come down now, at least for the next another 50. Come on. Could be though, like
always been for the yours today. Probably a lot.
this 21 is still there, so it may go see. Quit playing. Come on.
Just me one. Self-care has never been gummy by an explanation. To number one, pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement plan.
I shouldn't have gotten that. I was coming down, but I might want to come all through this year. Whatever this. What and it's like on the mirror on this on the article, though, you know?
We're going to schedule no TV time secret. IOTV,
It's like, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go to the midline at least. Think you should want to at least come to this midline. What's that? It's almost 20.
For the annual members. To us, health isn't a business, and purpose. GBH, health benefits,
Come on,
employees, and the time.
come on. Let's go. Make it risk free. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Come on.
just one week of it all.
Okay, come on. Come on. Don't turn yet. Give me money back. Yeah.
Your own
I forget what it was. Only $100.
those block. Those suicides, don't love it, love it through. We could do something, we would be, so always make sure they don't have access to the gun. You know,
Right, the single threat.
Just hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, now move it in. Perfect.
What is supposed to be like the jury, so we have a defense case. Drop it.
And then like 400 still, one of my things came out.
You come on for break. The judge.
Okay, so I made 466. So I'm going 500. And then and take that back to the 500 plus 400. So, 466. So I missed look like that 20 something. So I made a total basically on that. And that's good. You know? Just going through my though. That's just really like making sure I'm practicing and taking good traits, you know. I think I did a really good job there because I was thinking I might turn around, but this was a very like low um low time frame order block this red here because that was like the 30 second and it was feeding off of this higher time frame one though, you know, this is like the 30 minute. So if anything, it should maybe come like in to this midline because that's like a 3 minute for everything. So if anything, it would come up to that, you know. That would have been good to hold, but you know, I can't hold stuff. And look at that over here, YM. It's still going down, trying to get to the midline here. R2I, you did his thing. That's why I like R2I a lot better. I really do. It's like, I don't know. I think maybe I shouldn't even get bookmap back because when I have bookmap, I'll be looking at bookmap too much and not looking at my prescription. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it because I'm just only looking at market structure and that's like helping me a lot.
that five, 10 minutes. That doing on operating opinion, their bank shop, and then it was to do that again. Then it's a question, then does it still in the 403? And the 403 question was, is it going to be an unfair prejudice, or is the jury, in other words, going to take this testimony and use it for an improper purpose? The improper purpose being is
This is the order block 3 minutes. And we come back down to and continue up to give people.
think of that question. And when you play the arguments, we are going to argue that because of what our experts said, they should discredit what their experts said. Already,
Structure here. Structure and now we get this smooth. You like the tip of the so if they come back and like go there and go back, go if it's gonna continue.
sure. You're effectively asking you to take piece of evidence or use it for an informational purpose with the obtaining of the self. So there are cases that discuss the possibility of doing this, and I think that Douglas talked about in control that Dr. Hagen does this in these. So we explicitly discusses the difference between criminal proceeding and civil proceeding with that. 702A2 talks about how in a criminal proceeding, the expert may be, the court the subject matter, it's the only knowledge and experience. The jury needs expert opinion or the subject matter, long and intelligent opinion.
That's a bullish candle. This one, bullish candle. So it should go back to this midline.
The proper or instruction will be a deed or rules of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court intended that to be permissible in proceeding, they were included in the section about justice. So it's only the government be able to determine. Like it all. Or will be like this is weapons, but they will be like this.
Like I said, I was sweet, I knew, like, the potential to do it, but the goal is to hope that they're gonna be ready to go in just a few minutes here. I'm gonna bring this in, look at the.
Okay.
What? But if you really did say the work you were doing, it's not clear to it. That's gonna be, in fact, we don't know. About it.
Find the version off of that.
Not that simple. The jury could be to find out. There's still a little longer than probably they still having. The taking, don't think it's a pulling down for the plaintiff, do no, I don't think it's. And then, I think they could reasonable cases, written to them for the plaintiff. And so the.
Organized now, and it's a thing back out down. Yes.
I think because of that, there's a lot of different.
Yeah.
I guess it had I think the original answer.
Well, to be done now.
So that, and the fact that I don't have this, you. It's, you need to look at the jury composition as well. I know there are 6 women and 2 men. I know there was a lot of discussions around it, whether you're to be in the jury, but it's not a slam dunk. So this is gonna be a difficult case for the plaintiff. Oh, that's anyway, how do you weigh in? You have cases of your own, you've got to go. Engineer training is good too. But you would know what they live as if for culture, they want to live. See if they're informed. Joint district home visits the world Harry Potter. 8 scenes and 13 visits. The picture create the most magical and incredible sweet showpieces. Inspired by the legendary stories. Is that me? No, it's me. Harry Potter. This was a book here, something of it.
Like 21 anyway, by the sense. You know, I don't know. Stuff. I need to make a work call. I need to talk about our teams. Hello. It is 9:54 anyway, so I want to see what this about to do first. I feel like, is it gonna come here and then do that, or what is it doing? What is this stuff going on right now? It's just sitting on that on the EMA right there. Like it just keeps bouncing off of it. It should come down though and come back here a little bit because that was a lot. I mean, this is a baby rejection. So I don't know, I feel like it should come down a little bit more, but maybe that's all it wanted to give. I'll go ahead and go up, continue up.
This is the pure reading.
That is a bullish candle, you know, the next candle, both of these kind of bullish candles.
Which is the perfect choice for the pretty line.
Mm-hmm.
It's the purity of using
Oh, I'm going to be on a 3 month because those candles look literally bullish and like, you know, like you want to go up and this EMA right here, if you want to go up to it, I've been seeing that the 21 EMA is something. I mean, on the 32nd, it's like it was just rejecting it consistently. So, you know, it was consistently on this 21 EMA. Like, I'm not going through it. So, yeah. I'm learning how to use that EMA because I'm not really a indicator or EMA girl per se. I'm more like market structure. So, yeah. It's a really good little morning session for Monday. Yeah. So I'm gonna say anyway because I just realized again that it is Monday. So Monday price action is always low shaky. And I did well. I did well on my eval and here on demo. So I'm very proud of myself today. So I am going to log off. And like I said, I have some stuff I need to do for work anyway. I'm going to make a phone call, little meeting to figure out some stuff. So okay, this is look at this so recorded. Who watching this stuff? I'm recording this for myself anyway. So who am I saying about it to? I mean, sometimes people watch this, but whatever.